I know I want to do a party. I'm here to see the venue for my graduation party. I'm going to do a customized Adire with my name on it, like Dr. Dima, and different colors because I love a colorful party. So we're going to do some packing of souvenirs. These are the adult souvenirs. Guys, this water game. Hi guys, today is January 24. My graduation is in May. I want to really celebrate this one. I want to do a party. I've not done a proper graduation celebration all my life. And I feel like this is my one last chance of doing that because I did not have a high school graduation. I think it coincided with the day of my post-UTME. Post-UTME is like an entrance exam, like a college-specific entrance exam sort of. So I had to pick that over the graduation. So I missed my graduation. Then for my undergrad graduation, it did not happen the same year I graduated. It happened like a year after. I wasn't sure I was going to attend. So I eventually made up my mind at the dying minute and it was too late. Like everything was just last minute, not properly planned. My master's graduation did not happen, special thanks to COVID. So yeah, there was no graduation for me. So now this doctoral graduation just feels like, yes, the last opportunity to do it right. So I'm really excited about it. And I've been thinking of how I want to celebrate. I know I want to do a party, but even more, I want to do a colorful party. So I had this, will I say crazy idea or awesome idea, where I want people to wear like colorful Adire. Adire is the name of a Nigerian fabric, like it's a type of fabric. And it can be customized with your name on it. So I want to do like a customized Adire with my name, Dr. Dima. And I want it in multiple colors so that my guests will look colorful that day. So I just finished speaking with my friend, Brittany, who is a fashion designer and who is going to be helping me with all of this plan. And after speaking with her, I got even more excited. So I'm like, yes, let's do it. Let's create a mood board. I am going to now design a mood board on Canva. So I want to show you the process. I'm a very detailed and visual person, so I had to map out everything. I use Canva web, so log in and click on create presentation, and it's going to create a blank presentation. Then you want to use the templates. So I searched for mood board photo collage because that was what I wanted. I saw a couple of designs and I just went through till I found the one I liked. I saw that it had several slides I liked, so I just clicked on apply all 11 pages. Now that has been selected, the next thing is to modify it. First of all, I changed the color because I wanted something more colorful. And then for this first page, I did not like all these images here. I wanted to use it as my cover page. So I simply clicked on all the images and deleted them. Then I had to modify this, so I changed the text to becoming Dr. Dima, yay! And I just centered it and formatted it. Then I deleted all the other unnecessary slides. Next thing is to design the different colors of the Adire. So I use Google Nano Banana to modify the images to different colors, and I use AI a lot, and I'm going to do a separate video to show you how I use AI for designing fabrics. But here I just really wanted to see what this fabric would look like in purple, and this is it. So I'll just copy it out and go paste it on Canva and modify it. So I did this for the rest of the colors. Next is the style. I use Pinterest. I'll go on Pinterest. I can search for women Adire or women Ankara styles, and there are lots of beautiful styles here, but we really wanted the simple designs. So I found this dress and I love how simple it was. So I just right clicked and copied it and went back to Canva and pasted it. Now I did not want the background, so I used Canva Magic Grab feature. So if you click on edit, you go to Magic Studio, select Magic Grab and click on grab. So it will separate the image from the background. And at this point, you can just get rid of the background and you have your image there. So all I did was then to rename it, and I, added more styles to it. And I also did the same for the men and for the kids. So I have designed something real quick, and this is my inspiration. This is like kind of like what I want, how I want my Adire to look like, and these are the instructions. Then these are the colors. We're gonna have 6 colors: pink, orange, light blue, red, purple, green. And these are some of the styles for men. So I'm gonna send this around to my guests for them to pick a style and a color. And these are some of the styles for women. And that's it. Thank you. Okay, I am finally done making my mood board or my PowerPoint deck, if you would say. And I'm about to send it back to my fashion designer, who is going to coordinate the printing of the Adire and everything. So yeah, I'm excited. It only took me the whole day. We spent the next couple of days deciding on the Adire font and design, and once that was done, they had to put the design on a wax cloth here. And once we liked the design, we moved to the colored clothes. So these are the final fabric which we'll be using to make clothes for people. Very lovely. Say hello to my fans. I just arrived. I'm here to see the venue for my graduation party. I'm really excited. You think it's my wedding, but let's do it. I think this is it. Yeah, so this is the space. Look how big it is. There are chairs and tables and lots of things around here. So this is the kitchen space. There is a freezer. There's a freezer. This is a warmer, and this is an ice I think pack. I just need to bring my own ice. And over there are like 2 bathrooms, and it comes with the chairs and the table, and look how huge it is. Exciting. Yeah, I cannot wait to create magic here. AC finally. Thank you. Hey guys, so we're here to pick up the clothes. I'm at Britney's store. Look at the cute store. Alright, and I came with a big box. Hopefully everything fits into this box. Okay, guys, we need to pray hard that I don't have to pay for another extra luggage. At home I already have 1 extra luggage. I'm picking clothes for like 40 people. Yeah. That's fine. It's too long. I can always cut it. You can put this one. Okay.
We have put the main thing, the flat out and down, right?
Good morning. We actually got back from Nigeria last night, and I've slept a little. So now I need to start unpacking and sending out people's clothes to them. Thankfully, most of my family members live in the DMV, so I'm just gonna drive down this weekend and deliver their clothes to them. But my work for this morning is to actually unpack the souvenirs and see what they look like. Do you know I did not? So I just delivered them to a friend's house in Lagos and then packed them up before we left Lagos. So I didn't have the time to check and see what it's inside. So we're going to do some packing of souvenirs. I did 2 types of souvenirs. So souvenirs for the adults that are coming to the party and then souvenirs for the kids. And I think I'm more excited about the kids' souvenirs. And when I start unboxing them, I'll tell you why. Let's get started. These are the adult souvenir. There are some that are for guys and then some that are for the ladies. So I'm just going to pick 2 samples so we can see what that is. Let's go open them. Okay, I've got 2 bags here. These are for the ladies. It's just something small, really, just to say thank you for celebrating with me. Then inside here, so this is in everybody's bag. It's a digital travel scale. You guys know I love traveling, and I wanted to do something to tell my guests to also explore their love for traveling or to also start traveling. So I did this electronic luggage scale. Do they have to, oh, I guess they have to put the battery inside. But yeah, on the scale, this is the writing. Travel the world, enjoy life, Dr. Dima. How else would you know it's a Dima thing? The other thing for ladies is this 5-in-1 beauty care massager. I got all of this from Lagos, and you guys already know things are cheaper in Nigeria. And because I was traveling, I needed to get something that is lightweight. And then this is also branded. The writing here is, thanks for celebrating this milestone with me. Back. So, yeah, just those 2 in the female bag. Male bag, which is this one. See, it looks a little bit more fluffy. But their bag, it also has 2 items. So the same digital travel like luggage scale. And then it has this 2-piece towel. I don't want to open it so I don't mess up the folding, but it's also branded. And now to the fun part, the kids' souvenir. I did this briefcase bag and so like blue and pink. Each bag will have 4 items. This is a character puzzle. This is a pencil case. This is a toy, like toy water gun set. You know, someone saw this and was like, why are you buying water gun for kids? I'm like, you don't know. A lot of kids in America do not have the childhood we had growing up in Nigeria. So they don't understand the concept of water guns or water toys in general. So I'm gonna take them back to their roots. This is a combo, like, so it comes with like wristwatch and water toy. This water toy was a huge part of my childhood. This is so cute. This cute Hello Kitty wristwatch. Oh my god, this just reminds me of my childhood so much. Then, guys, this water game. I think adults will benefit from this. This would be a good stress reliever. But anyway, this is it. If you did not grow up in Nigeria, you might not understand this water game. But essentially, there are 2 sticks, and your goal is to just press the buttons till you can get the rings to hook on the sticks. Something like this. So let's pack the bags. I think it makes sense to just pack the bags right now so that I can have it all packed up and just distribute it to people like this. So you can see these are the bags. Okay, so bags for the kids are ready. And yeah, that's it. Next thing now is to start sorting people's outfits. That is the one that is driving me a little bit crazy because I need to start asking people for like their shipping address. But not a problem. You guys, I'm about to start packing people's clothes. Britney did an excellent job at ensuring people's clothes fit. I am just keeping fingers crossed that everybody's clothes fit. I cannot wait to see how colorful people will be at the event. I am looking forward to it. Tomorrow is my graduation day, and I'm still in New Jersey. We're going to head out very soon and drive 4 hours to Washington, D.C., where my school is. So I'm doing final packing, and honestly, I'm just very tired. Like, as you can see, I love coordinating things, but I also get tired easily, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm already tired. I remembered a few things I had not done today, like the easel bird at the entrance. I had not designed it, and I was just like, you know what, forget it. We don't need it. That's what happens when your energy finishes. But yeah, let's pack the remaining things and head out.